Namaste, this is Dr. Rukma Rajendran from Divine Veda. Divine Veda as a team is on for a mission to make Ayurveda heard throughout the world. Dear subscribers, from this week onwards, for every week we'll be giving gift vouchers worth rupees 1000 for an active subscriber. Please watch this video till the end to know more details regarding that. As in our previous videos, we were discussing about kidney stone, its causes, diagnosis, general symptoms, types, treatment protocol, and home remedies. Its link you can see in the description box given below. And in our today's video, we will be discussing on the dietetic changes, lifestyle modifications, as well as the yogasanas for kidney stone. Renal calculi or kidney stone is as a result of altered food habits, busy lifestyle, and less water intake. Seek immediate attention or make appointment with doctors if you have this following signs and symptoms. When the pain is so severe that you cannot sit still or find a comfortable position, when it is associated with nausea and vomiting, and also fevers and chills, hematuria, that is blood in urine, and dysuria, that is painful micturition. The general risk factors for kidney stones will be dehydration. Not drinking enough water each day can increase your risk of kidney stones. People who live in warm and dry climates, that is, stone belt regions, and those people who sweat a lot may be at the risk of kidney stones. Family history. If someone in your family has been diagnosed with kidney stones, and you are more likely to develop the kidney stone. Obesity. The people with high body mass index, that is BMI, are linked to a increased risk of kidney stones. Digestive disorders. Inflammatory bowel diseases or chronic diarrhea can cause changes in the digestive process that affects your absorption of calcium and water, increasing the amounts of stone forming substances in your urine, thus forming kidney stones. Medical conditions and medications. Hyperparathyroidism, repeated urinary tract infections can also increase your risk of kidney stones. Certain supplements and medications such as vitamin C, laxatives, calcium based antacids can also increase your risk of kidney stones. Wrong diet habits. Eating a diet that is high in protein, sodium, and sugar may also increase your risk of getting kidney stones. The dietetic changes that can be followed to prevent the kidney stones are: check your calcium intake. Take 2 to 3 servings of calcium in a day. Eat fruits and vegetables. Take at least 2 to 3 servings of fruits and vegetables to prevent kidney stone. Limit the oxalate in diet. Avoid nuts in this case. Eat less meat. As in our previous videos and in our blogs, we have discussed about what are the types of kidney stones. Its link you can see in the description box. And the dietetic changes which has to be followed according to each stone types are: avoid foods, particularly spinach, almonds, cashew nuts, custard apple, strawberry, sapota, beetroots, figs, caffeine items, as these are rich in oxalate and potassium, and also you can limit the intake of calcium in the diet. Limit the animal protein. You can limit it to once a week or take smaller portions while intaking. The general wholesome diet for a kidney stone are green tea, and try to take fruits and vegetables like apple, banana, bitter gourd, carrot, papaya, pineapple, broccoli, radish, capsicum, ash gourd, banana stems, drumstick leaves, watermelon, pomegranates, lemon, the pulses and whole grains like bajra, whole wheat, brown rice, green gram, and in liquids, buttermilk, tender coconut water, banana stem juice, aloe vera juice, drumstick juice. Now let's see about the lifestyle modifications which has to be followed. Stay hydrated. Drink at least 3 liters of water a day and avoid artificial sweeteners and alcoholic drinks. To calculate your water intake, refill 4 times 1 liter of water bottle with water every 4 hours of your active hours. That is, if you are awake for 16 hours a day, avoid overexertion as to reduce the increased sweating, thus preventing the dehydration. Avoid suppression of natural urges, as the suppression of natural urges can increase the Vata dosham. Thus, if the Vata dosham is increased, it can cause the pain. Follow proper sleeping
Yoga
pattern.
is a perfect lifestyle
Have food in proper
modifications
time.
that will give you strength and increase our vitality. You can start with these yogasanas for healthy kidney, like
Paschimottanasana, Ardha Matsyendrasana, Bhujangasana, Pavana Muktasana, Uttana Padasana,
yoga mudras also play
Ushtrasana.
a very important role.
Mainly, Apana Hasta Mudra can be performed. It provides strength to the kidney and regularizes the frequency of urine. It improves the blood circulation. How to perform? Sit in a lotus pose or Padmasana, or even you can sit in a chair. Close your eyes and relax your body and listen to your breath. Now place your hands on your thighs and extend your both the hands. Now join the tips of middle finger, ring finger and the thumb finger together and stretch out the index and little fingers outwards. It can be practiced 3 times
You
a
can
day
have a
for
heads up
15
on
minutes
your
per
kidney health
session.
before and trigger an expensive damage happens. As we already mentioned, in every week we are giving gift vouchers worth rupees 1000 for an active lucky subscriber. And stay connected with Divine Veda to know the criterias for that. Until we meet next time with a new video and a new topic, this is me, Dr. Rukma Rajendran, signing off. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.